Hello, hello, hello. Good morning, everyone. Mega love shout out all the subscribers and followers of this channel. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe to like, share. Don't forget to ring the bell buttons for the next notification. 3, like, leave a comment, subscribe. 4, subscribe. All right. Thanks for always watching and supporting this channel. Today are going to study about how to solve rational equations. And this is for Mathematics 8, and this is your teacher, Marife Adonis. Okay, so rational equation is an equation containing one or more rational expressions. So this is the example of a rational equation. No? So we have here an equal sign. So it means it is an equation. Next. Now there are several steps to solve rational equations. First, find the LCD. You know what's the LCD? The least common denominator. Multiply every term on both sides of the equation by LCD over 1. Then cross multiply. Solve for the variable. So for linear equation, get variables on one side and constant on the other side. For quadratic, set your operation or equation equals 0 and factor. Okay. Now, extraneous solution. So there are times that we can face an extraneous solutions. So in both sides of the equation multiply by a variable, the equation is transformed into a new one and may have an extra solution. Check its solution in the original relation equation. And the third, make sure that your answer does not make the denominator 0. Okay? Now, let's have this example. Now, solving rational equation. Of course, the original given is 1 over x is equals to 1 over 4 minus x. Of course, our LCD is this one, no? X, okay? We have this, no, as our LCD. So multiply both sides of the equation by LCM of the denominator. So that's why we have this. So least common multiple, its factor raised the greatest common factor. So you're here. So if we're going to do this, this will be cancelled, no? And this one. Okay, let's move on. Now here is an example, no? So let us solve for x. So we have here, let us find the LCD, no? The LCD of 8 and of 4, 8, and 12. So let's first find the factors of 4. 4 has 2 times 2, or we need to use decimal, no, for to mean a multiplication, or we can use the cross and open. So we have 2 times 2, no, cross and open multiplication. And then for 8 we got 2 times 2 times 2, so this 8. And for 12 we got, okay, so for 12 we have 2 times 2 times 3. Okay, so these are common, no? So that means our LCA or LCD could be their least common multiple. So we have 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. And what is that? So we have 2 times 2, 4 times 2, 8 times 3, 24. Okay, so we can multiply both sides by 24. Okay, right. So 24 divided by 4 is 6 times 3. So we have 6 times 3 plus 24 divided by 8 is 3 times 5. So 3 times 5 equals 24 divided by 12 is 2 times x is 2x. So we have 6 times 3 is 18 plus 15 because it's 5 times 3 equals 2x. Okay, so 18 plus 15, we have 13, 33. Am I correct? Yeah, 8, 9, 10. Yes, 13. So we have 33. 33 is equals to 2x. Okay, so we can divide it by 2. Okay. Therefore, x is equals to 33 over 2. Or we can make it as decimal, no? So 33 over 2, we have 1, 2, 4, 13 divided by 2 is 6. That's 12. So we have 1 and 1 half, no? 1 half. Okay. So 16 or 16 and 1 half. Okay. That's it. Oh, sakit ng bibig ko. Okay, next. Okay, so since we have 2x and x, we can multiply both sides by 2x. All right, 2x divided by 2x is 1. 1 times 1 is 1 plus 2x divided by x is equal to 2 times 1, 2. And we have negative 12 times 2x is negative 24. So we have negative 24x divided by negative 24. Okay, so we have negative 24. Then 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 over 100 over 24 is equals to x. Okay, so if you are going to reduce as the lowest term, you may divide it by 3, both sides. Okay, so 3 over 3. Okay, the answer is 3 divided by 3 is 1. 24 divided by 3 is 8. So 8, 1, 8. 1, 8 is the final answer. Okay, next. So we have here the same, no? We can take it as what do you call this one? We can divide both by x plus 2 since they are common, no? So we have x squared is equals to 4. Okay, so what is the square root of 4? Okay, so the square root of 4 is positive and or 2. No, the square root of 4 is 2. Okay. Okay, so the value of x is 2. Sometimes, in order for you to check your answer, if your answer is correct, you can also check on the original equation. So if you have that one, x squared, we have, or x squared, we can transform now as x or 2x squared. So we have 2x squared, 2 plus 2 is equals to 4, and 2 plus 2. So we have 4 over 4. So actually that's 1 is equals to 1. Okay, our answer is correct. Okay, so we have here x x minus 7 over x plus 2 is equals to 1/4. So we can use cross product. Okay, so using cross product, what you have to do is copy first, no? So set x minus 7 times 4. So we can have write as this one. So we can write as distributive property, and then x plus 1 times 2 is x plus 2. Okay, then distribute. So we have 4x, because 4 times 6 is 4x, minus 4 times 7 is 28. That's equals to x plus 2. So we got 4x minus x is equals to 2 plus 28, no? So because when you transpose, or when you add according to addition property of equality, what you add at the other side, you also add on the other side. That's why they are cancelled, no? Okay, so 4x times minus x is equals to 3x. 3x, so we have 2 plus 28 is 30. And then we can, so from 3x is equals to 30, we can divide it by 3. Okay, so we got x is equals to 10. Okay, now how do you know the answer is correct? You can go back to the original equation. Say 10 minus 7 is equals to 10 plus 2. Okay, is equals to 1/4. 10 minus 7 is 3 over 12. Okay, so 1/4. This is correct because if we are going to get the LC, the GCF of 3, so this is 1 and this is 4. So we got 1/4 is equals to 1/4. Okay, correct. Right? Okay, so you can solve the same, no? This formula, the same technique, just the previous one, no? So we have to cross multiply. Okay, so we have 2x minus 4 is equals to x plus 1. Okay, so we got 2x minus x is equals to 1 plus 4. So we got x is equals to 5. You may check if it is correct, okay? Next. So from Walt Disney. And thank you everyone for all this support, and God bless. I love you all.